How to download your information on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download all your information on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram, of course, and click on your profile. Now click on those three lines up there beside the plus icon. Click on it, and now click on your activity. Scroll down and click on the last option, which is download your information. Download the copy of the information you have shared with. Now they will email you a link to a file with your photos, comments, profile information, and more. It may take up to 48 hours to collect this data and send it to you. And click on request download, and this is it. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.